Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
Hello, Lucy. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you all today.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you. I just finished writing my to-do list for the week. It is so long. How about you?
I'm doing great, too. Thanks. And a long list. I was just organizing my phone contacts. I must have over 50 new numbers from the last few months.
50? Wow, that's a lot of new friends. 50 is a great number.
It is. And it made me think 50 is the perfect number of phrases an English beginner needs to start speaking.
That is the perfect topic for today. It's much better than a long, boring to-do list.
Exactly. So everyone, today we are going to learn 50 plus daily English phrases.
Yes, this is a super practical episode. We are not teaching difficult grammar. We are giving you 50 short, easy phrases for real English conversation practice.
These are the key phrases you can use every single day, at home, at work, or with your friends.
Sounds great!
And if you're ready to learn, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
And please share this with your friends who are learning English. Thank you all so much.
Okay, Tom, 50 phrases sounds like a lot, but where should we begin?
Well, Lucy, maybe we start with the basics? The beginning is always a good place to start.
Ha ha ha, yes, you're right. It sounds like a lot, but many of these are very short and very easy. The goal today is not to memorize 50 phrases, but to practice using them.
That sounds much better. So, we are not taking a test.
Exactly. We are just practicing. Let's start with the most important group of phrases. Group 1, greetings and how are you?
The basics. Hello.
Yes, our hello is perfect. And we also say hi or hey. Hi is very common.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Tom. See, easy. Now, after we say hi, we always ask a question.
How are you?
How are you? Is perfect. It's polite and friendly. Let's look at some other ways to ask this.
Oh, good. Sometimes I hear other phrases.
Yes, you will often hear, how's it going?
How's it going? It sounds very natural and relaxed.
It is. It just means, how are you? You can also ask, how are you doing?
How are you doing?
Exactly. So we have, how are you? How's it going? And how are you doing? They all mean the same thing.
So how do we answer?
Great question. If someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm fine. Thanks. But a great, friendly answer is, I'm great. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. How about you? It's important to ask the other person back.
Yes, always ask back. Or you can say, pretty good. Thanks. And you?
Pretty good. I like that. It sounds very American.
It does. So, that's group 1. Let's move to group 2, saying thank you and sorry.
Two very important phrases.
The simple one is thank you. We also say thanks. But if someone really helps you, you can say thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes. For example, Tom, thank you so much for helping me with my list.
Oh, how do I answer? I always say, you're welcome.
You're welcome is perfect. It is 100% correct and polite.
But are there other ways?
Yes. Sometimes, for small things, People say, no problem.
No problem.
Like, thanks for the coffee. No problem. It's very common and friendly.
I like that. No problem.
And if you really enjoyed helping, you can say, my pleasure.
My pleasure? What does that mean?
It means helping you made me happy. Thank you for the wonderful dinner. My pleasure.
That is very polite. Okay, so we have you're welcome, no problem, and my pleasure.
Now, what about the other important word? Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry is perfect. You use it when you make a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm late.
What if I just need to get past someone in a store? I don't want to say, I'm sorry?
Great question. In that situation, you don't say sorry. You say, excuse me.
Excuse me?
Oh, yes. You use excuse me to get someone's attention before you do something. Excuse me, can I get past? Or, excuse me, where's the milk?
That is so useful. I was always confused about sorry and excuse me.
Sorry is for after a mistake. Excuse me is before you interrupt.
Got it. Okay, that was group 1 and 2. This is fun.
See, we are already at maybe 15 phrases. Let's practice. Let's do a quick role play.
A role play. Okay?
I will be a person at a store, and you are a customer. You need to ask me something.
Okay. Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Thanks. Can you help me?
Of course.
I am looking for the new book by... Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the name.
No problem. Is it this one?
Yes, that's it. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Wow, that was a full conversation.
And we just used the phrases from group 1 and 2. You did a great job, Tom.
Thank you. Lucy? Okay, what is group 3? Asking for help and understanding?
This group is maybe the most important for beginners,
Why?
because in real life, you will get confused. And it's okay. You just need the right phrase.
What is the phrase for I am confused?
The simple, perfect phrase is, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yes. It is always okay to say this. Never pretend to understand when you don't.
I do that sometimes. I just smile and nod.
Ha ha ha. We all do. But it's better to say, I don't understand. And then you use the next key phrase. Can you say that again? Please?
Can you say that again, please?
This is your magic key. If someone speaks too fast, you just say this.
What if they speak too fast again?
You can ask them to speak slowly. Can you speak slower, please?
Can you speak slower, please? Oh, that is so useful. I always feel shy to ask this.
Never feel shy. People are usually very kind and want to help you.
Okay, so I don't understand. Can you say that again, please?
And one more. If you don't know a word, you can ask, what does that mean?
What does scaffolding mean?
It means building the lesson step by step. See? You asked, and I answered.
So it's okay to ask questions.
It is the best way to learn.
Okay, this is great. Let's move to group 4, agreeing and disagreeing.
Yes, in a conversation, you need to show how you feel.
So if I like your idea, what do I say?
The simple phrase is, I agree.
I agree.
Or you can say what we always say on this show, that's right, or exactly.
That's right, Lucy.
Exactly, Tom.
We use those all the time. Okay, but what if I don't agree?
This is important. In English, we try to be very polite when we disagree.
So I should not say, you are wrong.
Ha ha ha! No, please do not say you are wrong. It is very strong.
So what should I say?
You can say it softly. You can say, I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that. Ooh, that is polite.
Or, I don't think so.
I think coffee is bad. I don't think so. I like coffee.
Perfect. That is a perfect, polite conversation.
This is great. I feel like I am ready to talk to anyone.
We have one more group. Group 5. Daily activities and saying goodbye.
Okay,
These are phrases you can use every day. Like, what time is it?
what time is it?
Or, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Let's get lunch.
See? You are using the phrases.
What about when we are finished?
When you are ready to leave, you can say, it's time to go.
It's time to go.
And then we say goodbye, but goodbye is a little formal.
What is a more friendly way to say it?
We often say, see you later,
See you later.
or have a great day.
Have a great day. I love that one. It's so positive.
And what do you say back?
Thank you.
You can, or you can say, you too.
Have a great day, Lucy.
You too, Tom.
You too? So simple.
Exactly. Wow. Tom, I think we have covered so many phrases. Maybe not 50, but we covered the most important ones.
I agree. We covered greetings. Thank you. Sorry. Asking for help. Agreeing. And saying goodbye. That is a lot.
Let's do one final natural conversation to practice all the groups.
Okay, let's do it. Hi, Lucy. How's it going?
Hi, Tom. Pretty good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Hey, thank you so much for the podcast idea.
Oh, no problem. I'm happy to help.
I have a question. What does scaffolding mean? I heard you say it.
Oh, it means building the lesson step by step.
I see. I don't think I knew that.
That's okay.
Well, I have to run. What time is it?
It's almost 4 p.m.
Oh, okay. It's time to go.
See you later, Tom.
Have a great day. Lucy!
You too.
Wow, that was a fantastic practice. I feel like I learned so many useful phrases today.
Me too. And they are also simple and easy to use. It really shows you can have a full conversation with these key phrases.
So, to quickly review, the 3 most important ideas from today
First, just learning hello is good, but learning the full conversation is better. Remember to ask back, how's it going? And answer, pretty good. Thanks. How about you?
Second, don't be afraid if you are confused. That is normal. Just use your magic key phrase. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again? Please?
And finally, when you agree or disagree, remember to be polite. It's great to say, I agree, but it's much more polite to say, I don't think so, instead of, you are wrong.
That is such a good summary. And Tom, what's our number 1 golden tip for our listeners today?
My golden tip is, don't wait to be perfect. Just start with one phrase.
Ooh, I love that. What do you mean?
Many students learn 50 phrases like this, but they are too afraid to use them. They wait until they know 100 phrases, or 1,000.
Yes, They are waiting for the perfect time.
Exactly. But the golden tip is to just use one phrase today. Just go to a shop and say, "Excuse me." That's it.
That's a great first step.
Yes. Tomorrow, you can try, "Thank you so much." The goal is not to know 50 phrases. The goal is to use one. Confidence comes from using, not just knowing.
That's perfect advice. Just use one phrase. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you all so much for joining us. We hope you learned a lot of useful daily phrases.
Yes, thank you, everyone. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And for today's practice question, we want to know, what is one daily phrase you learned today that you are going to practice?
Leave your answer in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
Until next time, keep practicing and have a great day.
Goodbye, everyone.